Hi everyone. Wood carving is a fun, skill-based hobby and an amazing way to spend time together, kids and adults. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to help someone start carving, specifically teaching kids. We'll cover 3 essential rules every beginner should follow, plus tips to keep carving fun, safe, and successful. Wood carving with kids creates quality time, shared creativity, lasting memories, and a fun sense of accomplishment for you both. But not all kids are ready at the same age. Some can start around 7 or 8 if they've developed basic coordination and focus. Others may benefit from waiting until 10 or even 12 for a more mature approach. The key factor isn't age, it's maturity, concentration, and the ability to follow safety rules. Safety is the #1 priority. Always, even if you're not a kid anymore. Use tools designed specifically for young beginners. They usually have rounded tips, safety guards to protect fingers, and handles sized for smaller hands. Cut-resistant tape and gloves add an extra layer of protection. For carving material, basswood is ideal. It's soft, smooth, and easy to shape. Green wood is okay for casual whittling, but professionally dried wood works best if your child wants their finished carving to last without cracking. So, rule #1. Your kid should always maintain a safe and supported posture when carving. Indoors, your child should sit at a stable table or desk. Outdoors, kneeling on a mat or low bench works too. Whichever way, they need a solid, stable position so the knife stays under control. Safe whittling requires balance, so make sure their back is straight, shoulders relaxed, and the workpiece is secure. A good, upright posture is the foundation. Rule #2, proper knife handling. Always show kids how to hold the knife firmly but relaxed. A comfortable, secure grip. Carving movements should go away from the body, never toward it. This keeps control high and the risk of injury very low, and teach them not to carve too much at once. Small cuts beat big, forceful slices every time. Rule number 3, a sharp knife is safer than a dull one. It might sound backwards, but when the blade is sharp, your child needs less force to carve, which reduces slips and accidents. A simple way to maintain that sharpness is stropping. You'll need a leather strop and some polishing compound. The process is easy and safe, so even a kid can start learning this basic knife care routine to keep the edge clean, smooth, and ready to work, under adult supervision, of course. And always sheath or cover the blade immediately after use. A loose blade can be dangerous. Proper storage prevents accidents and keeps tools in great condition. And remember, keep sessions short and fun. Let kids get comfortable with the tools, feel the wood, try some small cuts, explore shapes and textures, and celebrate their progress, even if the results aren't huge or super visible yet. Wood carving with kids is a wonderful way to connect, learn, and create together. Whether it's your child, a younger sibling, or even a grandchild, these simple rules make carving safe, fun, and inspiring. Try it out, explore, and see where your imagination takes you. Not sure where to start? We have a big selection of kid-friendly carving kits, so getting into carving with the young ones is easy and totally doable. Check out the link in the description to see our full collection. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more wood carving content that's perfect for beginners, families, and creators of all ages. Bye for now and keep carving safely.